What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. So guess what? We're making pumpkin soup today. I'm really excited about this recipe. You've got to give it a try. It is really bright today. Distracted? Let's get started. Alright, so first I'm going to add some olive oil because we need that. And then I'm going to add the onions and the garlic and saute them for just a few minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes. And let them brown and get a little translucent. Right, now it's time to add the puree. Now, after adding the puree, I'm going to immediately add the broth, as well as coconut milk and the spices. See, that was totally easy, right? You gotta give this a try. It is so good. But as usual, before you go and make this for yourself, don't forget to hit that subscription button if you haven't already. I mean, it's free. Why wouldn't you? Come on. Hit that like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos, especially awesome ones like this. Alright guys, I'm gonna go finish this. You go make yours, and I'll see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye! Got my spoon.